What's up everybody? Welcome to another channel of Machine Head Repair Project. And today we're going to be replacing the battery on a Volkswagen Routan. And this would be between a 2009 to a 2000 and I want to say 11 or 13. So this is the key fob for that vehicle. So here we have the key fob for the Volkswagen Routan, and I think it's pretty much the same for the Town and Country and the Caravan. But let's go ahead and go over this here. First thing you're going to want to do is take the backup key out. So you're going to pull this button here to the side. You're going to pull this key that's on the back out, and this is your backup key. Okay, and it lies in that little slot there. Okay, and then from there what you're going to want to do is have a handy dandy flathead screwdriver, and we're going to pry this apart. So there's a little slot here that you're going to stick in, and then you're going to pry it apart, and be very careful, you don't want to damage it. Okay, once you pry it apart, see how it's coming apart? Alright, we're going to go ahead and with our hand, or actually go around with the flathead, just go ahead and pry it all the way around just to be safe. Okay, now we have it pried apart all the way around. We're going to go ahead and pull it apart just like that. So one side is where it's going to hold the battery, the side with the emblem, and the other side is going to hold the motherboard or the control board and the sensor to activate as a key to turn on the vehicle. So with this end right here, you have the battery. The negative part is aiming upwards while the positive is aiming face down. So you want to go ahead and pull that battery out like so. And the battery that's being used for this is, let's see if I can zoom in, is the CR2032. Can y'all see that? Probably not. There you go. Anyway, that's where the writing is. That's the positive side. So we're going to put the battery, if you have a replaceable battery, go ahead and stick it back in. This is what it's going to look like when you take the battery out. Put the positive face down like so, and then the negative part is going to lie on this little cross looking part, and all you do is just line it up like so and clip it together. And it'll snap together back in just like that. And then with your backup key, you're going to go ahead and slide that back in. And there you have it. That's how you put or replace a battery on this controller. If you like this video and it's been helpful, please click the like button below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comment, please leave it down below. If you have any suggestions on what video to make, let me know and I'll work on it. Till next time.
Perfect.